Hey guys, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. I'm back again with another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrifting Famous. Today's video is my part 2 thrifting small town. I'm a little behind on this and I hope you understand, but I've just been a little bit busy. So anyway, come on in and let's just take a look around at the things I saw.
And the screen I bought as well. Here's another picture back here. More stuff. Plenty. I bought an old picture frame. I'll show you later. And I bought a chandelier, brass chandelier, little petite chandelier. And I like that painting there. So that's this side.
As you can see, there's lots of stuff in here, and I kind of picked through some things and I finally found out what I wanted. So here are the items that I bought and then how I styled them in my home. And there you have it, my thrifted style. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and give it a like and leave that in your comments, and then also share. And don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'll see you in my next video, and happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home.